Welcome to 10663 Autobahn Way, Rancho Cordova, California. Offered for $450,000 by Remax Gold, Brian Maker, DRE 014-88166. This beautiful 1,387 square foot home is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath with upgraded floors, appliances, AC unit, energy efficient dual pane windows, counters, appliances, and so much more. Perfect for the holiday season, this house is waiting for you. Showing it open this weekend, 12 to 3:30 p.m. Come on over and shoot an offer. This house could be yours. Thank you so much for watching. For this and much, much more, don't forget to like and subscribe down below for the latest properties that hit the market and information about the Sacramento real estate industry.